Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this folding camping table. This comes in this awesome bag that you can actually just carry over your shoulder like this, or it has a strap on the top, and inside here is a camping table. This is super convenient to be able to bring with you for any trip that you want. It's all just conveniently put inside of here. Very easy to put together. You've got 2 bars. This is actually your tabletop. That's really neat. And then you've got your base. This just folds right up. You undo the little elastic. Here is your bottom. Clips right into place right here. You've got these non-slip grips at the bottom here. Now that's your base right here. All you do is just put these little cross beams and you hook the little spots together here and you press down, and you do that on both sides. They just snap right into place. Then you get your tabletop and you put that across. Now this does have a little locking area that goes on, so I'll show you right here. Right at the end, you've got this. All you do is just put this line right into there, and then that locks it into place where you have your table then set up and ready to go. So now you have your table. This can hold 110 pounds, and it's 22 by 33. So this would be a great height. You've got a lawn chair out and you just need something to put, a little picnic on or whatever you're wanting to do. But it folds up, works great. You can leave it out in the weather for the water. It is all aluminum, so you don't have to worry about rust or any sort of wear and tear on it. And with how easy it is to pack up and move along with you, it'd be great to take on any trip with you. Whenever you're finished with the table, it's very easy to put up. All you've got to do is lift up on your locks, undo your locks here, fold all this up, and then these do take a little bit of strength to do on it. So you just pull up on it, pull these off. Then on the underneath side of here, you've got this little metal ring. You pull up on that, collapses it all down, wrap this up, put it all back in your bag, and you're ready to go again for next time.